Nestled amidst the vibrant cityscape of Guatemala City, lies a unique condo that transcends the boundaries of ordinary living. This isn't just a place to reside, it's an experience, a harmonious blend of modern architecture and the embrace of nature. Step inside this haven, and you'll be greeted by an abundance of natural light. The expansive windows dissolve the barrier between the condo and the surrounding greenery, creating a seamless connection with the outdoors. It's like having your own private balcony, except it's the entire room. The condo's design is a celebration of local materials and construction methods. The exposed concrete walls, with their unique textures left behind by the timber formwork, stand as a testament to the craftsmanship involved. The stark white walls and slabs create a clean and airy feel, further enhancing the natural light that permeates the space. The use of tempered glass throughout the condo adds a touch of elegance and allows for unobstructed views of the greenery. Warm wood accents add a touch of nature's warmth to the contemporary space. The interplay of these materials, tempered glass, wood, and exposed concrete, creates a captivating aesthetic that is both sophisticated and down-to-earth. This condo isn't just about creating a beautiful space, it's about respecting and integrating with the natural environment. The existing vegetation was carefully preserved, ensuring that when you open the windows, you're greeted not just by sunlight, but by a visual embrace of the surrounding trees. It's a constant reminder of the beauty and serenity that lies just outside your doorstep. This philosophy of embracing nature extends to every corner of the condo. Whether you're relaxing in the living room, preparing a meal in the kitchen, or unwinding in the bedroom, the connection with the outdoors remains ever present. The natural light bathes the entire space in a warm glow, creating a sense of peace and tranquility. As the day draws to a close, and the vibrant city lights take over, the condo transforms into a cozy haven. The warm glow emanating from within beckons you to unwind and reflect on the day. Here, amidst the urban jungle, you have a sanctuary, a place where nature and modern living coexist in perfect harmony. This condo is more than just a structure, it's a canvas for creating beautiful memories. Imagine waking up to the gentle chirping of birds and the Thanks for watching, and always remember that your home is a canvas waiting for your personal touch. So go ahead and start creating your dream space today.